In today's video, I'm going to teach you make a Google Sheets progress bar based on checkboxes. This is a simple and useful way to track progress visually in Google Sheets. If you are building a checklist, habit tracker, task manager, or any kind of completion log, adding a progress bar can make your sheet much easier to read at a glance. We'll first add the checkboxes, and then we'll use a formula to turn those checked items into a clean visual bar. To begin, go to the range of cells where you want your checkboxes to appear. For example, you might use cells A2 through A10. Click and drag to highlight that full range before doing anything else. Selecting the range first is important because it lets Google Sheets place a checkbox into every selected cell at once, instead of making you add them one by one. Once the range is selected, go up to the top menu. Click Insert, and then choose Checkbox. As soon as you do that, each cell in the selected range will become a clickable checkbox. You can now check or uncheck those boxes whenever a task is completed. This is the foundation of the progress bar, because the bar will measure how many of those boxes are marked as true, or checked. Next, click into the empty cell where you want the progress bar to appear. This should be a separate cell from your checkbox list, so the display stays clean and easy to understand. In that cell, paste this formula and then press Enter. Is equals to SPARKLINE open bracket COUNTIF, open bracket 2. AA10, true closed bracket. Open flower bracket char type. Bar, max, 9. Color 1. Green closed flower bracket closed bracket. This formula works by counting how many checkboxes in cells A2 through A10 are checked. Then it uses SPARKLINE to display that count as a horizontal bar. The chart type is set to bar. The maximum value is set to 9, and the bar color is green. The maximum value matters because it should match the total number of checkbox cells in your selected range. In this example, A2 through A10 contains 9 cells. So the formula is calibrated correctly for that setup. If your checkbox range is different, make sure the cell references and the maximum value match your actual list. That will keep the progress bar accurate as boxes are checked and unchecked over time. And that's it. You now have a Google Sheets progress bar based on checkboxes that updates automatically as your checklist changes. Thanks for watching.